Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. In today's fast-paced digital world, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with customers, from the moment a chat begins to post-interaction analytics. In this presentation, we'll explore how AI transforms each stage of the customer journey, detecting intent instantly, enabling smart routing, assisting agents with real-time tools, and providing powerful insights after every interaction. By the end, you'll see how AI delivers faster responses, greater personalization, improved efficiency, and a consistently better customer experience. Let's begin with the very first stage of the chat journey, when the customer starts a conversation. Here, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role. Instead of greeting every customer with a generic welcome, AI immediately analyzes the customer's opening message. By detecting intent through keywords like order status or refund, the system understands what the customer truly needs right from the start. The benefit? Customers receive a personalized experience from the very first interaction. This not only saves time, but also builds confidence that their concern will be handled quickly and accurately. Now, let's move to the channel gateway stage of the chat journey. Here, AI ensures that only genuine customer interactions flow smoothly into the system. It automatically detects the customer's language, filters out spam or irrelevant messages, and routes each conversation to the correct system or team. The impact? Faster identification of valid customer requests and seamless handoff to the right destination. This step saves time, reduces noise, and allows agents to focus only on what truly matters, serving the customer. Next, we arrive at the bot or virtual assistant stage. Here, AI takes center stage through advanced natural language processing. These intelligent chatbots can understand customer queries in their own words, fetch real-time data from systems like the CRM, and even resolve common or routine issues instantly. The benefit? A significant reduction in agent workload and an improvement in containment rate, meaning more queries are fully resolved without ever needing to reach a live agent. This allows human experts to focus their energy on complex, high-value conversations. Now let's look at the queue management stage. At this point, artificial intelligence steps in to make waiting smarter. By predicting wait times with high accuracy, AI sets clear expectations for customers. It can also identify urgent or vulnerable cases, such as escalations or VIP customers, and prioritize them for faster handling. The result? Lower abandonment rates and a noticeable improvement in customer satisfaction because customers feel valued and cared for even before they reach an agent. Next comes the routing decision stage. Here, AI ensures that every customer is matched with the best possible agent. Through intelligent routing, it considers agent skills, workload balancing, and even customer sentiment to decide the right path forward. The benefit? Customers connect with the right agent at the right time, leading to higher first contact resolution. In other words, more issues are solved in one interaction, saving time for both the customer and the business. At stage 6, we move into the agent desktop and active chat experience. Here, artificial intelligence becomes a true partner to the live agent. It suggests replies by auto-drafting answers, provides real-time sentiment analysis to guide tone and empathy, and even enables seamless language translation for multilingual conversations. The outcome? Agents respond faster, maintain a consistent and professional tone, and deliver a customer experience that feels effortless. The result is higher customer satisfaction and stronger trust in the brand. Finally, we reach the resolution and wrap-up stage. Even after the customer's query is resolved, AI continues to add value. It auto-tags the case with the right category, summarizes the chat transcript for easy record keeping, and even suggests the next best actions for follow-up. The real benefit? After-chat work is reduced by up to 50%. That means agents can close interactions faster, reduce fatigue, and be available to serve the next customer sooner, boosting both efficiency and satisfaction. And lastly, we move into the post-interaction processing stage. Here, AI shifts its focus from serving the customer to strengthening the business. It analyzes chat transcripts for compliance and quality, tracks sentiment and emotion trends across conversations, and even predicts potential churn risks or opportunities for upselling. The benefit? Stronger quality assurance and sharper business insights, helping organizations not just resolve today's interactions, but also prepare smarter strategies for tomorrow. Now that we've walked through each stage of the chat journey, let's step back and look at the overall benefits of AI compared to traditional methods. First, efficiency. With AI-powered bots and assistants, customer issues are handled faster and more accurately. Second, cost savings. By automating repetitive tasks, fewer agents are needed for basic queries, allowing the human workforce to focus on high-value interactions. Third, consistency. AI ensures that tone, language, and responses remain standardized across every customer interaction. Fourth, scalability. During sudden spikes in chat volume, AI can flex instantly, handling thousands of conversations in parallel without compromising quality. And finally, customer experience. With shorter wait times and higher personalization, customers feel valued, supported, and more likely to stay loyal to the brand. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.